Hey, 8th graders, going to make sure we have the right piece and a couple of things to point out. Number one, key signature, D flats. You don't have any high ones, so D flat, 2 and 3. Also A flats. It's in the key signature's name, A key of A flat, but make sure that you're doing that first vowel for your A flats. There are no A naturals in this at all, so there should be no middle valve being pushed except for the E natural during that chromatic scale of measure number 3. All right, that's the only one time you're going to hit the middle valve when you're playing this. I'm going to encourage you to play your mezzo forte in the beginning a little loud so that when you go to the piano at 5, the judges have no question that you got softer and you went down to piano. Then at 9, have a slightly softer mezzo forte, so when you go to forte, you have somewhere to go. And then at 13, of course, piano again, but not so soft that the sound gets bad. Keep a good sound going. All right? So here we go. I'm going to use the metronome. What you want to do, make sure that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, going, rather than just picking up the 2 and playing. That's not good, okay? Make sure you have the tempo locked into your head before you start playing. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I hope that helped. Happy practicing.